Hello, and welcome to another edition of Dion's Glamping Journey. I have another great video that I would like to share with you guys. Our brand collaborators at Dr. Prepare sent me a power station for me to use while I was out here camping or glamping in the Arizona and California desert. And after I'm finished using those items, I was able to gift it to a subscriber who could use an actual power station at this time. The sponsors at Dr. Prepare, they are graciously allowing us to gift it on to someone else that needs it. So stay tuned. I'd like to introduce you to the subscriber that I chose to gift it to, and we'll learn more about her journey and her setup. So stay tuned. So guys, I would love to introduce you to my new friend Dori.
Hi guys.
And we have gotten an opportunity to spend about 2 weeks together.
Yeah, about.
And we have just been hanging out at the camp fires.
Yes.
Singing karaoke.
Oh my God. Dion, yes, you were great. I loved it.
Thank you. Talking about spirituality and everything else.
Yes.
And so this sister right here, when I found out that she could use a power station, I was like, this is the one. So welcome her to our glamping community.
Hi everybody.
And Dori, can you tell us a little bit about yourself? Where you from?
Yeah, again, my name is Dorian. I'm from Georgia originally. And I am I wouldn't say I'm super young, but I'm not old either. I've always been interested in the nomadic lifestyle.
Right.
And so I just started researching in 2021 how to do it because eventually I want my own land.
Right.
And I was deciding, okay, so then I went through some things. I lost my father due to heart issues back in November of 2024. Yeah, thank you. His anniversary came up of November last year, 2025, and I was at my job. I didn't like it, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to throw everything in the trash, and I'm going to start over. So I moved to Dallas, and then I stayed in Dallas for about 2 months, and from Dallas, I was like, yeah, I'm still not happy. Something's got to give. And I called one of our mutual friends, Chad, and I was like, Chad, where you at? He was like, we're out here in Arizona for the wintertime. Are you coming? I'm like, I'm on the way.
Yes, I love
that.
I love that.
I've been out here since.
And so we are a part of a community that we camp together.
Yes.
We meet up at different locations. So, we started off at Quartzsite. Now we're here at American Girl Mine. And some of us, we do our own thing, and then we come back together eventually. I'm hoping to come back sometime in March or April. So I'll be back, and I'm sure you'll be around.
Yeah, I definitely plan to.
All right. So, so it's wonderful to camp, and share experiences and share ideas. And so I mentioned to Dori that, I have this power station. If she would like it, I'd be happy to gift it to her. And as I mentioned, our sponsor, Dr. Prepare, the 300 amp hour power station, they are allowing me to gift it. And so thank you to Dr. Prepare as well. And also I'm going to give her the inverter that I had so that she can just start using it right away. And so it can be very helpful to her current setup and her future setup, right?
Absolutely.
And then I also gifted her my mattress from the ones that I get from Home Depot, the upholstery foam. And she could tell you, I don't want to just make it look like, oh, I just love it and it's just the best and everybody should get the foam mattress. She can even attest that it is very comfortable, right, Dori?
An absolute difference from my original setup because before I just had a yoga mat with some blankets and what do they call sleeping bags? I always want to call them camper bags.
Yeah.
And sleeping bags, and then I just stuffed the covers over it and I just made it do with that. So thank you for the mattresses. It's been so much better. It's easier for my back, and the foam, it literally takes my body in. So I'm comfortable in any position. So
great.
You've been so awesome. Thank
you. So now we're going to just take a little tour, just a little something, just so you can see how Dori's incorporated all of the different things in her setup. So stay tuned. Okay, Dori, so what type of vehicle do you have?
This baby is my 2004 Toyota Highlander.
Nice.
It's actually the first Toyota I've ever owned, and she's been doing me well.
Yes.
I was gifted this car by my uncle, actually, which was awesome. And he told me that he wanted to do something for me because I've been able to do something for him. So this is my baby.
Yes, this is your rig. Did you name it?
No, and I was gonna say,
Yeah.
if you or your viewers have any suggestions for a name, I'm open, because I've named all my cars, and I've not named this car, and I've owned her for about 2 years now.
Nice.
So if you guys have any suggestions, help me out. Okay,
I'll think of something. I'm sure our viewers will have a lot to say about that. So
that'd be great. Oh, come on in.
Sure. So I see, firstly, that you have a storage container on the top.
Yes, I actually keep all of my outdoor storage. Sorry, I'm a little tiny, but all of my tent stuff is in here. I have my sleeping bags. I have a charcoal grill in there that I can use. I've got my camping tent in there, and basically, I have a shovel in there too.
Okay.
So basically, this is for my outside. So when I'm at a campsite and I want to tent camp instead of sleeping in my vehicle, I just take climb up here and get all my stuff out, and then I have indoor carpeting like for my tent also. So those are in there as well. Anything for the outdoor living is in the storage box.
So how do you access that? You're so short. You're like me. How would I get up there?
So for me, because I'm so super tiny,
Uh-huh.
I just step up here.
Oh, okay.
Jump.
All right. Okay.
Yep.
I don't know if I can make that jump, but I could definitely try. Okay. Wow. It stores so much. Yeah.
It stores so much. There's so much room in here. I absolutely love it.
Yes.
And I found it on Facebook Marketplace.
Wow.
For $30.
Oh, wow.
Storage.
Really?
What a deal. Because
what a blessing.
these are like $300.
Yes.
That's like not even 10%.
Yes. Yes.
So this has been awesome.
Oh, I'm so glad you were able to find that.
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
This is how I get down.
Okay.
Safely.
Right. Down to the next. Yeah, maybe I could do it. I could maybe
I believe in you, girl.
Yeah.
I believe in you.
Okay, so let's start with your front passenger.
So here, it's a little junky in here. Please forgive me.
No, it's fine. It's livable. That shows you're really doing this, and you're full time on the road.
I'm full time. I've actually been full time about a month now. So
okay.
Since early December, I've actually started to travel further. This is my furthest trip, 1,200 miles by myself.
Wow,
actually.
wow.
And me and Old Faithful here.
Yeah.
This is my cooler that doubles as my fridge and sometimes my dry storage. Here is my lovely, beautiful Dr. Prepare Life Pro battery.
Yes, yes. Let me get a good shot of
this. Absolutely, please.
Oh, I think it's too close, but that's fine. We know what it is. All right. Okay. Yeah. Nice.
And then I also was gifted this inverter by you, Dion, which is working perfectly. It tells you right here, if you can read that, it shows you the voltage here and how much battery percentage you have over here.
Yep.
I can plug in, use USB, of course, and it has an on and off switch here. I can also plug in a 12-volt charger.
Yep.
So right now it's just charging my little handy mini fan and my cell phone.
Right.
So.
Oh, I'm so excited to see what you're gonna do with that and how you could even heat up your heated blankets with that.
Absolutely. I definitely have a heated blanket in here because I am a cold person in the winter.
Me too.
So typically I work in transportation and I do some trading. So I work with a laptop.
Right.
And so I need all of the power that this has because I will be able to sufficiently do my work without any breakdowns, and I can literally be a digital nomad like I desire.
Right.
So I'm just going to show you this here. This is Mr. Bear,
Hi,
everyone.
Mr. Bear.
This is my bed setup here.
And
as you can see, my foams are here.
Yeah, look
and
at
I've
that,
got it
guys.
nice and layered. This is my plug-in. It's a 12-volt for my heating blanket, which I love. Here's Barry. This is my nice handy man. The only man I'll ever need.
Exactly.
Yeah, so this is my bedding here. Just a little bit of it to show you. This is my clothes shower bag and an extra backpack. Here is my creative stuff. I crochet. It's just a food installation bag. Nice. Yeah, I do crochet also. That's also an additional way I make money on the road.
Right.
And so I just keep that next to me, so when I'm bored at night or what have you, it's right there. I can
use that.
Yeah,
right,
absolutely.
I love it. So this is the bed, and it's been comfortable so far.
Yes.
So good. Excellent.
Thank you. Yes, it has been very comfortable. Welcome.
Yes. Oh, I love your little bed. Yes.
Oh my gosh, I love this. This was a gift from my sister, I believe. welcome to my humble abode.
Yes, nice.
This is my bed space here. So when I'm driving, I keep everything over here. It's pretty much in drive mode right now because I'm actually getting ready to depart from this campsite for a bit. But this is my bedding here, and this is all my kitchen stuff. Okay. This is my charcoal for my grill, and this is my.
So are these stoves here?
Yes, these are actual butane stoves. I have 2 of them.
Okay, so you really be cooking out
here. I be cooking. I like to cook. I'm a big soup girl, and I like to beef stew. Yeah. I like
it's the name
quesadillas,
Hilltop Gear. Okay.
Yes, and then I have another one. It's a little broken. And I have this one also, which I love. They're both really good.
Okay, yes, I've seen.
I keep opening them. Oh, this is Ozark Trail, which I love. Yeah, and I actually have a headlamp hanging in the front from Ozark.
Okay.
Great brand.
Nice, beautiful.
We'll worry about this later.
Yeah, and so that's your kitchen, I guess, where you do your dishes and everything there.
So yes, this is like my garage port here. So I've got straps and bolts here, my little cleaning supplies, extra butane and stuff in my car. And this is my 6-gallon water tank. So I use this to bathe with, wash my dishes with, and brush my teeth occasionally, but mostly to clean. And I go places for showers and things like that, mostly, at least for now. But I do plan to upgrade my rig. So
yes.
You know. These are just additional water gallons I have in case I want to access water, but not necessarily pull out
all of
from
that,
back here. Yes. And this is my kitchen bag. It has my pots, pans, plates here. It has gloves that I cook with, all of my utensils. It's kind of hard to see.
I see.
My dish bowl is in here that I wash dishes in. This basin right here.
Nice.
And yes, the rest of this is just clothes and shoes in behind. I've got an umbrella back there. And this is my whole setup for my sleeping and cooking arrangement.
Nice. And I like the fact that you put the kitchen in the back so that you can be outside if you wanted to cook as well.
I actually love cooking outside. That's one of the things that I enjoyed with my dad was outdoor cooking. At my grandmother's house, we would be in the front yard cooking, and I just enjoyed being outside. We got to take a couple of camping trips before he passed, so it meant a lot more to me to be living this lifestyle more than anything. So I'm just super excited to be able to show you what I've got, especially as a newbie on the road. And I've been blessed by so many people from being here and meeting this community also. So I definitely wanted to make sure that I shared the love on that. Everyone has been so kind here. Anything that I've needed, they've been able to give me if necessary. And I've been able to give back in other ways as well. So it's been
And how long you been on the road now?
30 days officially today.
Amazing. You look like a pro. You look like a pro. And you're going to teach so many people because so many people think they can't do this.
Yes, they do.
But step by step, there's a community out here and you can definitely
100%.
get help. You can get help.
100%.
So let me see your outdoor setup over here. This is nice.
Yeah.
And so you're the queen of the campfire, by the way. I saw this woman create a campfire. I said, well, she is an expert or something?
Yes. So
nice.
This is my fire pit that I have here at this campsite. It's actually pretty empty right now. I burnt up what I wanted to last night. This is my extra wood here. This is my chair and my stool. So
what's the name of the chair, by the way?
This is Billy.
Billy. Well, the actual brand name.
This is Moon lamps. Let me move out of the way.
Because I like it. It looks like a little hammock or something. It's like
it's super
lamps. It looks very comfortable.
Yes, and it comes off.
Oh yeah.
It comes off very easily.
Okay.
I have no problem with setting this up.
Yeah. Oh wow, it breaks down even smaller.
Yes, and it fits into a tiny little bag.
Wow.
Yes, it does. And these even come out also. It makes it like so.
Yeah.
It just breaks down very easily, and then this pushes up.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Yeah. So I usually just sit here.
Your little table over here too.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I usually will cook here, or I will set up my phone here to watch a little TV because that's what I like to do. And this is my trash box, so if I have anything worth burnable, I'll keep it right here, or just save my plastics and stuff to take to a trash. So that's why you guys see that here.
Okay. So. Nice. And then I see you have another little mat over here.
Yeah. This was gifted to me from a woman from California and her daughter.
Oh, nice.
Yes, they gave it to me, and she was like, take it. And I got it facing this way because the sun is rising. So I want to see the sunrise shape as I'm, walking out my front door here.
Yes,
so
yes,
it gives
nice.
a vibe, too.
It's the vibe. That's everything.
Yes, absolutely.
Very nice.
I
And
love
so you mentioned that you were considering starting a YouTube channel. Is that...
Yes, I actually wanted to document my own nomadic journey. So I had been trying to discover a name, and so I finally settled on Dorian the Explorian.
Oh!
So
I love that. That is so cute.
Thank you. And the reason why I chose it is because when I say my name is Dorian or I say Dori, people are like, oh, like Dora the Explorer. I'm like, okay, you know what? So I'm going to use it.
That's right.
And a little special surprise is that I also speak Spanish a little bit. So
oh, yes.
It worked
we did go into Mexico, was it yesterday? And I tell you, you really can speak Spanish. Like, I was like, okay, thank God I'm with this girl because she...
oh, my goodness.
She can help us through this. So that's wonderful.
Yes, I loved it so much. And I enjoyed it, especially for my first time being out of the country.
Right.
Yeah.
So that was so nice.
And there it is, nice and stable. You saw me break it down.
Yes, and put it back together just that quick. So that was great.
In the middle of a conversation.
Right, yeah, exactly.
So you guys are seeing real life action of what really happens down here in the campsite.
Right.
If you're doing this live, tomorrow is too late to get started, and that's really the way I see it. It's peaceful out here. You meet great people like Dion who are so loving and caring and community based. It's been an amazing opportunity out here. I've been so blessed, and I feel more at peace. I don't feel like I don't know which way to go. I'm just letting my heart and my intuition guide me, and it led me to this community of beautiful people, and so I'm just looking forward to more trips and adventures.
Yes, well, me too, and I look forward to seeing you again. I'll probably be back hopefully in another 2 months, maybe March or April, so I'm sure, as I said before, I'll see you again.
Yes.
So see you down the road.
I'll see you later, Dion.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Special thanks to our Community Spotlight members for commenting, subscribing, and engaging with me. To the rest of our community, thanks for watching and supporting the channel and making it possible to gift and bless others on this glamping journey.